Well, 2024 was an insane year for football, and we honestly can't wait to see what 2025 will bring. We are going to see thousands of footballers break through to the pro level faster and younger than ever, and this is where footballers like you can finally achieve success. If you simply watch this video all the way through, you will make more progress in 2025 than most people will in their entire playing career. We are also extremely excited to announce the highly anticipated launch of the TheProFormula Academy, currently available for students on our website, but more on that later. First, we need to understand how the average footballer thinks and operates, and how to break free from this trap before it's too late. Most footballers think that the only way to go pro is either by getting super lucky or by being born with insane talent. They spend so much time thinking that it's impossible or that some outside force is controlling their career. What makes it so sad is that we are living in one of the greatest times of history for footballers, where the amount of opportunities you will have in 2025 is endless. However, it's all going to be dependent on you and what you decide to do with the opportunity you're given. Step number one is actually brainwashing yourself into believing you can go pro. Most footballers will never make it pro simply because they don't believe that they actually can. But the truth is, no matter your background, no matter who you are, it's possible and totally achievable. You need to develop an unshakable belief and conviction, and the best way to do this is to reprogram your mind through constant education and training, because the only way that you can make it pro is when you believe you will. Doing this will give you the confidence that you can achieve anything you set your mind to, including becoming a pro footballer. To take immediate action and show the world you're going to succeed, comment down below, "I will succeed," or share why you will make it pro. Now, step number 2 involves setting a clear and achievable goal that gets you closer to becoming a pro. When setting goals, most people aim too high and fall short and lose all the desire to keep going. But the momentum you gain from hitting goals, even if they're small, is unmatched. So when you're goal setting, don't make your goal something vague like, "I want to be a starter and play for Liverpool." It needs to be a clear and trackable goal, like, "I want to join an academy around my area in the next 3 to 6 months. Then you want to reverse engineer all the actions that you need to take to accomplish that goal and write it down. This will make everything so clear and make it really easy for you to take action every day. Now, the third step is one that may seem unimportant or insignificant, but actually has the biggest impact in the long run, and that is to start accumulating small wins every day towards your goal. You know, small wins build confidence and they keep you motivated on your journey to the pro level. If you just hit these small wins every single day, you notice a huge compound effect that slowly starts to kick in, and because you have this positive feedback loop, it will give you the energy to keep taking action and working towards your goal. Even if you don't hit this goal in the short term, you'll be closer than when you started, because it's not about whether you hit your goals or not. It's about whether you wake up every day and make progress towards becoming your best self. And each little victory reprograms your mind to think that you are worthy of achieving what you want in life. All you genuinely need to do is just take that first step and just be willing to wake up every day to chase that small win that will put you ahead of 99% of people. The last step is to train as if you're already a pro. You need to be not only training like a pro, but living like one. This means doing things that pros would do and not doing things they wouldn't do. Let's imagine how a pro would train. Would he go practice shots for an hour, or would he do a methodical shooting routine that maximized improvement and technique? You should be recovering, resting, and eating, all like a pro. Everything you do should be done at the highest level to maximize your growth, leading you to achieving the pro level. Now, it's time to finally discuss what we've been working on for almost 2 years, the TheProFormula Academy, which we have launched today, January 1st, the first day of 2025, to give you the best possible start to your new year. Inside our academy, we give you the most optimized training routines, mental masterclasses, specifically designed nutrition plans for footballers, and ways to get scouted to make it to the pro level. And every month we will be adding new programs with new resources to get you to the pro level. This way, you don't have to waste time trying to find the right content amongst dozens of hours of useless information online, and you can just implement what is taught in our all-in-one academy. With this, getting to the pro level stops becoming a matter of luck and becomes a matter of just following the steps laid out in our academy. Each program inside our academy usually sells for hundreds to thousands as a course, so what we did inside of the TheProFormula Academy was we brought them all together to give you the ultimate toolkit to going pro. Now, this is the first time we are publicly launching the academy, and we want to give you an extra incentive to make this the most no-brainer decision you've ever taken. So instead of paying what will be the regular price of $100 a month, you will be getting access to the whole academy for just $37 a month, and that is going to be your price for as long as you remain in the academy. It will never go up for you, even in future months and years, as we increase the price for the public. public. We don't know how long we will keep it at such a low price like this, but it won't be for very long. Now, if you check the first link in our description or pinned comment, you will be brought to our main website where you can claim your spot in our academy and make today your best year ever. Plan to make 2025 the year you stop procrastinating and start showing up for yourself and become a pro footballer. Just imagine looking back in a year and realizing how important just starting your journey was. The nights you spent grinding and putting in the effort while everyone was wasting their time. You might not be able to go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are right now and change the ending.